Imagine a place so remote, a location so utterly isolated that it redefines the very meaning of solitude. Your closest neighbors aren't on the next block or even the next continent. They're astronauts, hundreds of kilometers above you in the International Space Station. The silence is absolute, a profound stillness that permeates everything. The only sounds are the gentle lapping of waves and the whisper of the wind. This isn't a jungle teeming with life or a frozen polar cap, desolate and unforgiving. This is a calculated point, a carefully determined location situated in the vast expanse of the South Pacific Ocean. Point Nemo, a name that evokes mystery and unparalleled remoteness. It's the oceanic pole of inaccessibility, a title earned by its extreme isolation. It represents the farthest spot, the place most distant from any landmass on Earth. To reach it, to stand at this lonely apex, you'd have to travel over 2,600 kilometers, braving the open ocean from the nearest speck of land. The closest landmasses, mere dots on the map, include Ducie Island, the rocky outcrop of Motu Nui near Easter Island, and the icy terrain of Mar Island in Antarctica, all of them profoundly isolated in their own right. Point Nemo sits, a lonely sentinel, in a vast, empty expanse, an ocean desert stretching in every direction. It's a true wilderness, untouched and untamed. It's not an island rising from the waves, but a set of coordinates, a precise location marked only by numbers in the heart of the ocean's most remote region. Few have ever ventured here. Its isolation is so complete, it's more alien, more detached from human experience than the barren, cratered surface of the moon. The sheer scale of its isolation, the immensity of the surrounding ocean, is truly staggering, almost incomprehensible. This is the ultimate test, the pinnacle of challenge, for explorers seeking the most remote and untouched corners of our planet. Pure, undiluted isolation, a place where you are truly alone. Ready to push the boundaries of exploration and venture into the unknown? Let's dive in and uncover the secrets of this enigmatic location. Welcome to Point Nemo, the most isolated place on Earth. What exactly sets Point Nemo apart from any other location on our planet? What makes this particular spot so unique and in some ways unsettling? Water. Endless, unforgiving water, stretching in every direction, an unbroken horizon that emphasizes the sheer isolation. Here you're at the mercy, completely and utterly, of the ocean, its unpredictable nature, its raw power and its indifference. Your boat is your only lifeline, a fragile barrier against the immensity of the sea. Officially calculated in 1992, pinpointed with the aid of advanced technology by Hervoje Lukatela, using sophisticated computer models and geographical data, Point Nemo is a modern discovery, a testament to our ability to map and understand the world through data, found by computer, a digital exploration leading to a physical void, not by foot, not by traditional means of exploration. Even today, despite our technological advancements and global reach, it remains wild and untouched, a place where nature reigns supreme. The South Pacific Gyre, a massive circulating current, surrounds it, acting as a barrier, blocking nutrients, preventing the upwelling of vital resources and making marine life scarce, creating an environment where few organisms can thrive, a true biological desert, a vast expanse of seemingly lifeless water. The emptiness is profound, a silence that speaks volumes about the power of nature, just you, a tiny speck against the backdrop of an endless ocean, your vessel, a fragile sanctuary in a world of water, and the deep, the mysterious, unexplored depths that hold countless secrets. Its remoteness has made it, perhaps ironically, a spacecraft cemetery, a designated area for the controlled disposal of defunct satellites, where satellites, after years of service orbiting our planet, and space stations, meet their end in a fiery descent into the ocean depths, are sent to die, a final resting place far from the eyes of humanity. Debris from space, remnants of our technological ambitions, rests on the seabed below, scattered across the ocean floor. It's a graveyard, a silent testament to our reach beyond the stars, of human ambition, a reminder of our constant push to explore and conquer, hidden beneath the waves, a secret world of forgotten technology. Point Nemo is a strange, almost surreal place, modern frontier, a place where the vastness of the ocean meets the remnants of our space age. Embarking on an expedition to Point Nemo starts with meticulous planning and careful preparation. You'll also need a sturdy vessel ready to face the challenges ahead. You'll need enough supplies for weeks, maybe even months, because out here, there's absolutely no help if things go wrong, so be prepared for anything. Navigation relies heavily on GPS, and your crew must be highly skilled and self-sufficient. As you leave land behind, watching the coastline fade, the world slowly becomes an endless expanse of blue. The horizon is unbroken in every direction, and the sky above is immense and awe-inspiring. Soon, isolation sets in, an experience that is both exhilarating and deeply intimidating. You'll be sailing through the infamous Roaring 40s and the even more intense Furious 50s. These latitudes bring relentless winds and incredibly towering waves that test your limits. Every single day becomes a battle, a constant struggle against the raw power of the elements. After what feels like an eternity, after weeks and weeks, your GPS finally indicates that you've arrived. But as you look around, there's truly nothing to see. No marker, no sign of anything, just endless open ocean stretching out in every direction. You're now standing at the most remote spot, the most isolated place on Earth, completely and utterly surrounded by nothingness. It's an incredibly surreal and profoundly humbling adventure. Venturing into the realm of Point Nemo presents a unique set of challenges. The dangers here are immense, a true test of human resilience against the raw power of nature. The weather, in this remote location, can turn deadly with astonishing speed. Conditions can shift dramatically in moments, demanding constant vigilance. Rogue waves, those unpredictable giants of the sea, equipment failure often far from any hope of immediate assistance, and the sheer isolation, hundreds of miles from the nearest land, will test every skill you have, pushing you to your absolute limits. Out here you must fix problems, no matter how complex or daunting they may seem. You'll need to do it with what you have, often relying on ingenuity and resourcefulness. Improvisation is survival. It's the key to overcoming the unexpected challenges that arise. The psychological challenge, often overlooked, is just as real, and perhaps even more insidious, than the physical dangers. The endless blue can play tricks, distorting perception and blurring the line between reality and illusion. It can play tricks on your mind, leading to disorientation and fatigue. Crew morale is vital. Maintaining a positive and supportive atmosphere is crucial. You rely on each other completely, for both practical assistance and emotional support. But the rewards are profound, offering a sense of accomplishment and a connection to the natural world. Skies ablaze with stars, far from the light pollution of civilization, offer a breathtaking spectacle. The sunrises and sunsets, painting the sky with vibrant colors with no land in sight, create a sense of boundless freedom. You might glimpse, if you're lucky, bioluminescent creatures, shimmering like living stars in the water. In the deep, a reminder of the hidden wonders that lie beneath the surface. Glowing in the darkness, these organisms illuminate the mysteries of the abyss. In 1997, a sound unlike any other was detected. A mysterious sound echoing from the depths, the bloop, was recorded here, adding to the mystique of this remote location. It fueled legends of sea monsters, creatures lurking in the unexplored depths. Scientists now think, after careful analysis, it was an icequake, a massive fracturing of glacial ice. But the mystery lingers, a testament to the ocean's enduring secrets. Point Nemo reminds us, with its vast emptiness, how little we know, despite our technological advancements, about the deep ocean, its inhabitants, and its processes. Its secrets are as deep and as unfathomable as its waters, holding mysteries that may never be solved. Here, every moment is a lesson, a chance to learn and grow. In survival, pushing your limits and discovering your inner strength. And wonder, inspiring awe and a deep respect for the power of nature. The void is alive, teeming with life and energy, with mystery, a constant reminder of the unknown that surrounds us. Point Nemo. Extreme isolation, immense danger and raw beauty. It's a frontier that tests courage and willpower. Would you face the endless horizon knowing you're farther from humanity than anyone else? Does that thought terrify you or fill you with freedom? Every explorer has a Point Nemo, a challenge that seems impossible. By facing the unknown, we discover what we're made of. The world is full of wild places for those brave enough to seek them. Thanks for joining this journey to Earth's most isolated point. Stay adventurous, never stop exploring.